Imagine a drive that's robust, smart, and ready for anything. With Schneider Electric, it's possible with Altivar ATV 320, specially designed for OEMs. 3 formats, endless possibilities. The ATV 320 adapts to your needs and offers unmatched flexibility. Enjoy quick and effortless programming and access documentation with a simple scan. Do you work in a harsh environment? It can withstand up to 60 degrees and resists dust and industrial particles. You can find everything you need inside this drive. Operations and equipment are ensured with its 5 integrated safety functions, meeting the highest standards. Experience seamless integration with maximum compatibility to fit into any automation architecture. Do you think that's all it can do? Let's go further. Upgrade your setup with SoMove and ATV Logic. You can easily create and manage up to 50 complex automation programs, unlocking the full potential of your machines. From precision control to robust performance, it's designed to adapt to your challenges in any application. The ATV 320 meets all requirements, easily connects to your systems, and delivers optimal results. It optimizes your energy, preserving the environment, and comes with assistance every step of the way. Unlock the power of Altivar ATV 320 to elevate your machines today.